Hey, what's up, Anchor coin holder? Anchor coin in this time plus 7.51% profit. Congratulations! I am also holder of Anchor coin, so therefore I am very excited now. And if you check out my previous video, so I already predicted this coin, and I told you, my friends, to tomorrow this coin will pumps up. They will give you a profit. But a lot of holders comment me, my friends. So this is win-win, my friends. Anchor coin will pumps up. So today, as you can see here, this is live chart, and absolutely the coin will pumps up plus 7.51%. They will give you a profit now, so that's a very good profit, my friend. And absolutely my prediction is going to be right now. So today, absolutely, my friend, this coin will move upward, but I hope to at the midnight they will give you a 10% profit. But tomorrow, my friends, what's going on tomorrow, my friends? Can tomorrow they will give you a profit? Absolutely, my friend. In upcoming, my friends, days, there is a chance to Anchor coin will hit now 0 of 2 to 5 USD dollar, because last days of this month, my friend, absolutely every coin will move upward now, because expert says, my friend, to this month is going to be very good now for crypto. So I hope, my friends, to everything is going to be right now. But please, holder, if you want the latest update of Anchor coin, the latest urgent news about the Anchor, every coin, my friend, altcoin, if you want to earn money in a crypto, so now you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My friends, Anchor coin, my advice for all of you now, this is not a financial video. I just advise you to please hold now. I hope at the end of month, if you starting selling, so they will give you a lot of profit now. Please do this. I hope they will make you a millionaire now. See you next time.